We have some real-world Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080 benchmarks showing up to 80% performance gain over the RTX 2080 in multiple AAA games. These are 4K benchmarks on Nvidia's latest $700 card, and they were putting it up against the previous generation, obviously RTX 2080. I don't remember what the price of that was, but the suggestion here is that Nvidia hasn't really raised its price, which a lot of people are happy about, that the performance gains here don't come along with an increase in price to get those performance gains. In other words, in the past, to get something similar, you would have been into one of those TI versions of the card, some kind of like special edition of the card, which that one was like $1,200 in the 2080 flavor. And this new RTX 2080 starts at $699. So it's like people are happy saying that Nvidia could have raised the price a little bit more than they did on this particular card when you consider the performance. Games like Borderlands 3 see an 81.6% performance boost with 4K resolution. Some other titles, Doom Eternal, 84.2%, Shadow of the Tomb Raider, 69.8%. And there's a number of other ones in there, including a ray tracing Quake 2 RTX benchmark at a 92.3% performance improvement. So people are very excited about saying this is a full generational type of thing. And you were just getting me excited before we started shooting, suggesting that we're going to do we got a whole game plan here. We're going to do a really interesting, amazing, shocking type of gaming setup very soon. Can you say any more, or is that it? Is it too much of a
they're definitely going to have the 3090s in there.
3090s?
Yeah.
My goodness.
Maybe a couple.
Couple of 3090s. Now, those are obviously the more expensive model. I think that's around $1,500. Those things are complete banana town. I am very excited for this. Keep it locked on Unbox Therapy. We're going to come with a pretty cool next generation gaming setup so that we can play Fall Guys. What did you say? Minecraft. Yeah.
Fall Guys. Yeah.
Fall Guys. I was joking, by the way.
Intensive.
I want those next gen games. I guess that's too much to ask at the moment.
Cyberpunk comes in November.
No. Yeah. So wouldn't be there. Would it be there in time? No. No, it wouldn't be there in time.
No, it's a couple months away.
Yeah, it wouldn't be there in time. But whatever, we'll push some title. We'll get some graphics. We'll get some ray tracing. We can show some ray tracing.
Yeah, definitely.
Anyway.